The first solution involves updating your drivers through optional updates. To do this, right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Navigate to the Windows Update tab on the left-hand side. In the right pane, select Advanced Options and then click on Optional Updates. If you find any optional updates listed here, go ahead and install them on your system. Our next step is to update Windows. To update your operating system, right-click on the Start button and select Settings. Go to the Windows Update tab on the left. In the right pane, select Check for Updates. Windows will then look for and install any available updates. If the previous steps did not resolve the issue, it is advisable to perform a malware scan. Search for Windows Security in the Windows search bar and open the application. Once Windows Security is open, go to Virus and Threat Protection on the left-hand side. In the right pane, select Scan Options. Choose Full Scan, and then click on Scan Now. This will thoroughly check your system for any malicious software. The final solution we will explore is an SFC scan. To perform an SFC scan, search for Command Prompt in the Windows search bar. Right-click on the search result and select Run as Administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. Now, type the command SFC/scan now and press Enter to initiate the SFC scan. This command will scan for and attempt to repair corrupted system files. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.